Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic to any offer on Clickbank. Now if you're completely new to affiliate marketing, this is going to be a great video for you. It's going to show you how you can select offers on Clickbank and then how you can get completely free traffic over to those offers and you can make a commission. So we're going to jump inside Clickbank. If you've never seen Clickbank before, I will leave a video in the description below giving you a beginner's guide to Clickbank, but I want to jump straight into the marketplace and show you how you can find some good products to start with on this network. So guys, if you haven't been over to my channel before, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell and you'll never miss a video. And guys, if you're serious and you want to learn how to build a business with affiliate marketing online, you can join our free bootcamp. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, as I said, if you're completely new to Clickbank, go ahead and check out that video in the description. It'll tell you how to go ahead and sign up and then you can jump into the marketplace. Now on the left hand side of the marketplace is all the different categories of the different products they have on this particular network. Now these are the different niches that you would have a business in. So one thing I will advise you to do is pick products and services in the niche that you want to produce content in. This content could be in the form of reviews, this content could be in the form of articles talking around that topic, but you need to make sure that you're picking products within Clickbank that are very applicable to your own audience. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at various products on here and see if they're the kind of products we'd like to promote. So the easiest way to do this is just to come up here and press search and you'll find the top products on Clickbank by rank. Now you can also go ahead and use Gravity. I like using Gravity. It gives me an indication of how many affiliates over the last 12 weeks have actually sold this. It's kind of a weighted metric, so it just gives you a good indication that these products are very, very popular. Now, I'm not asking you to come along here and actually grab the top products on here and promote them. As I said before, you need to make sure the products that you're promoting are in the niche and are for the audience that you want to promote to. This makes sure that you're concentrating all of your efforts on one niche and one type of audience rather than trying to promote anything on Clickbank, which very rarely works in the long term. So basically we're going to come through here, we're going to look at various products. So if I just take this top one just as an example, I wouldn't actually promote this one, it's not in my niche, but basically you have the overall average conversion dollars here is $149, gives you an average indication of what you were doing with this. Then you have a Gravity of 1000, clearly a very popular product, and it just gives you initial conversion, which is $146, and there's a rebill on here, but that tells you there's some kind of membership program. And what will happen is over a certain amount of months they end up, now this recurring revenue is dependent on whether people stay in the program or whether it's a very limited membership. It all depends. So basically we want to look at this number here, this 149, to have a look to see whether this is worthwhile actually promoting. Now because we're using free traffic, the great thing about that is we don't worry about this too much because we know that anyone that comes along is going to come along for free and we're going to make some money, so it's going to be a profit. We don't have to pay for paid traffic. Simplest way to promote anything on here is just to hit this promote and basically come along here and actually grab an affiliate link by generating a hop link here, and that'll be your affiliate link. Now you can come along to the affiliate pages here, and depending on the product you will have all sorts of different information on the affiliate pages that you can use when I show you my traffic source that we're going to use. And these are great resources that you can go ahead and use in your own marketing. Now it depends what stage you're in. If you have emails set up that you're going to send out to the folks that come along to you, they've got some good ideas for the type of emails that you would send and the structure. I might not use these word for word, but it gives you a good starting point. Also, there's going to be other things like images on here. If you wanted to start blogging, they have various types of images on here that you could use for your blogs, for your thumbnails, whatever you're going to create. So lots of resources on these types of products. It just depends who is actually going to produce these products. Now, I'm actually going to show you how I'm going to get traffic over to these links that I can get from these particular products. Now basically I'm going to jump over to Finalytics and show you the traffic source that's completely free. What I'm using is YouTube. Now on YouTube I'm putting reviews of products that are within my own niche, and basically I do a review of the product and in the description of that review there'll be an affiliate link. If people go through that affiliate link over to the product page, I get paid a commission. Very, very simple. I just need to concentrate on this review, making it as informative as possible, making sure people understand what the product's all about. And people all of the time will go into YouTube and they'll put whatever product name review to see what that product is all about before they go ahead and purchase. Very, very powerful. Now there is an option 2 here which allows me to actually build a landing page between the video and the product sales page, where I can capture things like email addresses, I can put bonuses, I can put all sorts of different information on there that'll give people more value before they go along over to the product sales page. Now this also allows me to build an email list, and with that email list I can then email them out various pieces of information, whether it be value information, whether it be actually promotions back to the original product or different products. Once people are on your list, you can go ahead and email them lots of different products. Now this is the more advanced way to do this and the more powerful, but if you're just starting out and you're a beginner, just concentrate on doing a YouTube video and having that link in the description and a product sales page. Now I'm going to give you a couple of examples of this. My own niche is actually in the e-business and e-marketing, and if I just come down here and look at some of these products in here, there is one called Scribble here, and there's also one called ConversioBot. Now this Scribble is a ebook generator which is very, very powerful and very, very popular. It's got a gravity of 66. Anything above 20 is a good indication that it is selling on a regular basis. You don't have to worry too much about this, and I wouldn't really go for the top gravity products in these types of niches because they are going to be very, very popular. I would just look for anything around 20 plus to go ahead and promote. Average conversion on this is $27.69, and ConversionBot again is on this here, $276 average conversion, and it's got a gravity around 28. So you can see that I kind of promote things with different gravities, but as long as it's above 20 odd, it's telling me that people are actually promoting it on a regular basis and earning money. Again, both of these products happen to have good affiliate pages, so I can use those resources to promote. Now the way I'm promoting them is basically I'm using YouTube videos. So if I just go to Scribble first, if you search on Scribble review on YouTube, I'll actually leave the link to this video below so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. You'll be able to see that I'm ranking really, really well for this, and I get traffic to this all the time. And you can see that people will come along here. I'll actually tell them in the video to go and click the link in the description. They'll come down here, and if you click this link in the description, then basically you're going to be brought over to the sales page. So that is an example of option 1. You have my video, they click in the description and it comes straight to the sales page. Now on a second example, I have one called ConversioBot. Now again, if you search for this, I'll leave the link in the description below, you can see that I'm ranking really well for ConversioBot. Now, this has had 3,700 views, and if they come along and click on this one, I'm actually doing option 2, where I've got a page between my video and the actual sales page. Now on this page, I'm actually giving out some bonuses that are being offered for this particular product. And then if they click on this link here, which is my affiliate link, then they come over to the actual sales page itself. And in this particular one, I actually use ConversioBot all the time on my own website. So I know that this product really, really works because I use it to capture leads all of the time. So these are just two examples. Now you can do this for any niche. There's one here I know it's for a product called Ryan's Shed Plan Review, and this is another product in the home and gardening section on Clickbank. They've had 4,000 views, and again they've got some links down here. If I click on these links, it'll come straight over to the Clickbank product here. You can see on the right hand side there's a Clickbank product, and if anybody buys this, they'll get a commission. Now all they're doing is very, very simple videos. Now if you've never done a video on YouTube, or you don't really know how to get started, basically what you can do is use software like Screencast-O-Matic. Now I always recommend this one because it's very, very cheap to actually get going with. So the pricing on here, you can start completely for free, but if you just go for some of the individual price, and it only works out as $4 a month, and it gives you everything you need to make really, really nice videos on YouTube. And all you need to do basically is go through the product, tell people all about that product. You can see any of my reviews and get an idea of the way that you can structure these types of reviews, and people will come along once they see the keywords of that product. They'll check out your video, and if they're interested in the product, they'll go ahead and buy. So guys, I hope that's useful to you. That's just a very simple and a slightly more advanced method that you can use to actually promote Clickbank products for free on YouTube. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, don't forget to check out that training. You'll see the link in the description below over to School Nomads. We've got an affiliate bootcamp there that'll get you started straight away. Until next time guys, take care.